Hi, I'm Eric Bass, an attorney from Venn Law Group. I've worked with small to mid-sized businesses on employment issues for over 20 years. In a prior video called Tips for a Successful Employee Disciplinary Meeting, I went through tips to help you deal with discipline issues. Today, I'm giving you tips to deal with terminating an employee, should that have to be the next step. Terminations are stressful and should be handled carefully. So when it's time to terminate an employee, I suggest the following basic tips. First, prepare well for the meeting. Gather all documentation you have regarding the reasons for the termination. Ensure you have all the documents or post-employment agreements you may need to give to the employee. Make sure you are able to lock the former employee out of all systems and facilities prior to or immediately following the meeting, and that you obtain any passwords you need from them. Then take steps to ensure that you can best recapture any company equipment in the employee's possession at the meeting. Second, conduct the meeting properly. Avoid meeting places and times that may disturb the workplace. Have one witness to the meeting to record important statements. Employees tend to want to argue the merits of their termination at these meetings. Do not argue with them. Be direct and forceful and make it clear to them that the decision has been made and will not be reconsidered. Conduct the meeting quickly. The best option for all is to end the meeting quickly and get them off the premises. If there are questions or lingering issues, tell them you or the appropriate person will follow up with them later. Third, document and follow your post-employment obligations. Document any issues that may come up in the meeting as soon as possible. This documentation can be essential to defend discrimination or other potential claims later. Be sure you provide final paychecks and benefits notices and follow up on severance agreements or any other lingering matters. Terminating an employee's employment can be stressful, which often results in mistakes. Following these tips will help you to get the task done as well as possible. They will help you to avoid creating further issues, legal or otherwise, with the terminated employee so that you can move on to more pleasant and productive work. To learn more best practices for employers, contact Venn Law Group today to see how we can help you meet your legal needs.